Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your trusted place for honest Amazon finds that actually make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something that's perfect for food lovers, the top 5 best indoor grills in 2025. Whether you don't have outdoor space or just want to enjoy grilled flavor all year round, these smokeless electric grills can seriously change the way you cook at home. I've done the digging, read reviews, and checked what real users love, so you get a list of grills that aren't just trending, but actually worth the money. And remember, you'll find the latest Amazon deals for every grill we cover in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's get into it. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. Starting us off is the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, a solid pick if you want real grill marks without stepping outside. It heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in flavor and giving your food that seared finish we all love. The viewing window is a nice touch. You can watch your steak or veggies cook without lifting the lid and losing heat. The cooking surface, about 118 square inches, can handle meals for around 4 to 6 people, which is great for families. And yes, the removable non-stick grate is PFAS-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. If you want juicy grilled food year-round without dealing with smoke, this one does the job beautifully. Number 4. George Foreman 4-Serving Electric Grill. At number 4, the classic, George Foreman 4-Serving Electric Grill, a name that's been trusted in kitchens for years. It's compact, cooks about 4 servings at once, and the signature sloped design helps drain away fat for healthier meals. Super easy to use, just plug in, preheat, and grill. The George Tough non-stick coating means you barely need oil and cleanup is quick. Plus, the removable drip tray catches grease and keeps your counters clean. Whether you're making quick burgers, sandwiches, or paninis, it's simple, reliable, and still a favorite for a reason. Number 3. Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Grill. Coming in at number 3, the Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 AG301, and this thing is a true multitasker. Besides grilling, it can air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, basically replacing multiple appliances in your kitchen. The smoke control system keeps the air clean while still giving you a real grilled taste, and a high-density grill grate makes those perfect sear marks on steaks, fish, and veggies. It can even handle a 3-pound roast, and everything removable is dishwasher safe. If you're after versatility and power in a single compact appliance, this one's a beast. Number 2. Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill. Number 2 is the Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill, perfect if you like having precise temperature control. With its adjustable knob, you can go from gentle warming to a hot sear so your food turns out exactly how you like it. The non-stick surface is roomy enough for multiple portions, and the water tray underneath helps cut down smoke and catch drippings. It also disassembles easily and is completely dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick and painless. Great for anyone who wants hassle-free grilling indoors, even on rainy days. Number 1. QC Max 1500W Smokeless Indoor Grill. Taking the top spot, the QC Max Smokeless Indoor Grill, and it really earns it. This grill runs at 1500W and comes with 2 removable plates, a classic grill plate and a griddle plate. Both are non-stick and super easy to clean. The modern LED smart display and precise temperature control let you go from low heat to high sear, and the tempered glass lid keeps heat in while letting you see what's cooking. Best part, the built-in turbo smoke extractor means you can grill meat indoors with almost no smoke. From Korean barbecue to steaks and breakfast pancakes, it gives you restaurant-quality results without stepping outside. And there you have it, the top 5 best indoor grills of 2025, each with their own strengths to fit different cooking styles. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more honest Amazon reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next find. Which grill fits your kitchen best? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.